to Easy Learning with Teacher. Red, red, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow, pink, pink, purple, purple, navy blue, navy blue, brown, brown, white, white, black, black, orange, orange, gray, gray, aqua, aqua, lavender, lavender, maroon, maroon. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.